About to head on the J right now, buddy. Let's go get this shit. Ciao, ciao. All right, buddy. If we miss this Jake Shaw, catch the 13-minute one. Ain't no, dude. We getting that shit on roll, bro. Buddy, my buddy. She got buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So I go on with the station wagon there. But they find them getting the escalator. Careful when we go up on the escalator. Alright? And then we're going to walk to the jail. If I miss the 1 minute one, we catch the 13-minute one. But now I rush it there. See why I'm here there? But now I stumble down circus. They're on the grind there. And they're on the money there. And now I suffer. That's what I tell you, so the money they did there now. And now I raffle. I reached the front of that train already. Alright, we reached the G train already. That's the next train at 13 minutes. I think so. We missed the one there. The next train is at 13 minutes. Our next train there. 9 minutes, so we good. So we're there, Sustain Boulevard, wait for the jail. I'm gonna head over by Mercy right now. So I'm gonna reach the front of the train already. No delay, no hustle. That's what we want to do. Tell you Basketball Wells will be dropping. Like I said, I have an event coming up in October. Basketball Wells is dropping. Remember that. Shamika have a brand called Basketball Wells is dropping. So don't worry about that. This is how I make my money. I tell these people all the time, when you look at my brand and you look at how I'm going to be successful in life, you see at my events where I could be making money doing this shit. So that's how it go. See how it is? I got the shorts. This is the shorts right here. It came like 2 weeks ago. And this is the sweater. I got it in the back. I got it in the back and front right here. So, you know, this is it. Nah, worry about nothing else. But I'm on the front of the train waiting for the J train. So it's coming in 9 minutes. So because when I was tracking it from the 40, they said we just missed the 10-something bus train. So the next train was in the next 30 minutes. I think 10 minutes. So when I track it was about 10, 13 minutes away. So I come downstairs right here. It's saying it's I come downstairs right here. It says in 9 minutes. So if I sit at the Jamaica station, I wait there. So this brand is dropping. I'm in the process of working on. Everybody didn't tell me. I'm in the process of working on a booth over by Kings Plaza, so you could get more information about that. So I have a booth coming out at Kings Plaza, and I'm expanding it in different malls. So yeah, so I have a booth coming out at KP, so you can look out for that too. So worry about that, right? So yeah, I'm a brand there. Brand is fire blood. My dance to the brand there. see what I'm there. Sama dope talk. Southeast Vegas. Without that shit was. Without that shit. Got 5 minutes left. The next bus is in. Next train 21 minutes and then it's 36 minutes. So I'm waiting for the 5 minute train. I'll get to Mercy at. I get to Mercy at 11:10, so I'll catch the local because I missed the select. Yeah, last select is at. I missed. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch the local. But I wait for the train then. Wait patiently for around there. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hire some bodyguards, bro. For my event, these girls, then I gotta hire some bodyguards. Real shit. These girls can't get enough of Chica. They call me Chica Lica. They can't get enough of Chica. Come on, like Chica can't get too much, man. Come on, like, it's real shit. Can't believe this shit. Chica get too much ninky. I ain't interested in it. Pray Yahweh, I'm interested in Jamaican prayer Yahweh. Sir, you ain't talk about, I mean, this. It ain't this, bro. Yeah. Bumping. The train's coming right now, so I'm about to hop on this train. Once they pull in, we good money.